Hey you guys, so it rains here today, but I did get out and go and look at a real estate project, and I don't typically blog, but I did take some video of the project that we were looking at, and so I thought I would put it together as a vlog for you, and who knows, maybe I'll start vlogging more of the stuff I do when I'm not on here organizing and reviewing and chit-chatting as I typically do. So this is actually just this is a real estate project that I may be undertaking a renovation project, to be exact. It'll be a pretty big renovation. So today I met with some people, went on and looked at it, and talked about what it would take to renovate the project with a real estate investor partner. And so I hope you enjoy. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more vlogs of the stuff I do every day, some other cool stuff I do. So yeah, enjoy. And since I won't be coming back at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you now to stay clean, stay safe, stay organized, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye now. No seat. So this is the kitchen. This needs a full renovation. Half bath. Why would they need padded walls? This is so weird.
If that is caused by leaking.
Yeah, it could be the air conditioner. Was a walk-in closet.
A panic
They
room.
took it with them. Because there was probably shelving all around here and here. But they left this safe without anything in it. These units are
Tennis court.
bigger than some of the other units that are attached on both sides. So far, yes, there's another full bath at the bungalow. And a bedroom for a jacuzzi and more mirrors. This is your master bedroom.
It's actually kind of cute.
Walk-in closet with your full bath. This is a lot here. You can just take the elevator to whatever level you're going to.
That's kind of cool.
You don't have to, Okay, but there's the projector, and then they have. When you buy a condo, you're responsible for the interior painting. So that's what they teach you in real estate school. So if it's something that you can prove that is from the exterior, it's on them. All right, let me see if I can turn some lights on here.
I was afraid to touch the electricity.
I've been told that this used to be the second car. This is a whole garage.
Oh, a two-car, okay.
So they just kept it a one-car garage because they have another spot on the outside that's assigned to this unit. Right? So you got 2 parking spaces, but this used to be actually a garage that they made into a media room. All right? And here is your garage.
Any garage? I've been recording this whole time.
And you have the nanny suite, the nanny room.
Quarters, yeah.